Hi everybody, it's 3:02 and 10 seconds on Friday, July 13th. This is mini number 3, the final mini for the two Amazing Spider-Man 102 signed slabs. Over here on the left-hand side are the 16 filled spots. What's going to happen here is whoever comes in first place in this mini will automatically get assigned the first 6 open spots in the main. Those spots are 24, 26, 31, 34, 35, and 37. Whoever comes in second place in this mini gets the final 2 available spots, which are spots 38 and 39. I will immediately run the main after this is done. Alright, so here we go. Here's the 3 dice. Number is 8. Best of luck, everybody. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here is the final one, 8. Spot 7, Jesse Sipler wins the first 6. Spot 1, Chris Blancato wins the final 2. Time is 3:03 and 18 seconds.